Uber Eats drivers don't get a fixed hourly wage, and most of the money comes from per-order payouts combined with tips and demand-based adjustments. By the end, you'll understand how Uber Eats actually structures pay, why hourly earnings change so much between drivers, and what conditions usually lead to higher or lower income. Start with how pay is calculated. Uber Eats pays per delivery. Each trip includes a base fare that changes based on distance, time, and demand. On top of that, customers can add tips, which often make up a large part of total earnings. Now look at why hourly pay is inconsistent. Your hourly earnings depend on how many orders you complete in an hour. If orders come back to back, your effective hourly rate increases because you stay active. If there are gaps between orders, your hourly earnings drop because waiting time isn't paid. Now look at the biggest factor: location. Busy urban areas usually create more frequent order requests. That means less downtime between deliveries and more consistent earning flow. Less busy zones often have more waiting time, which reduces hourly performance even if individual orders pay the same. Now look at timing. Peak hours like lunch and dinner increase order volume. During these periods, drivers usually complete more trips in less waiting time, which is where higher hourly earnings tend to happen. Now, compare tips versus base pay. Tips can significantly change total earnings per delivery. Two drivers completing the same route can end up with very different totals depending on customer tipping behavior. Now here's what most people miss. Uber Eats earnings are controlled more by flow than by individual order size. A steady stream of smaller orders often beats occasional high-paying trips if it keeps you moving without downtime. Now, the simple breakdown. Uber Eats does not guarantee hourly pay. Your real hourly income depends on three things: how many orders you complete, how much time you spend waiting, and how strong tipping activity is in your area. Now the takeaway. Uber Eats can feel low-paying during slow periods when orders are spaced out. It can feel much stronger during peak demand when you stay continuously active. The same driver can see completely different results depending on timing and location. Next step. Compare your earnings between a slow hour and a peak dinner hour for a few days, so you can see how much downtime is affecting your real hourly rate. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps, delivery platforms, and real-world earning apps without inflated claims or confusion.